Hi, my name is Sarah Lacey and I'm Special Counsel in the Family Law team here at Moores. Today I'm joined by Bani Mishra, also Special Counsel in the Family Law team. If you are thinking about separating or have recently separated, you're probably feeling uncertain about the future and what to do next. Bani and I are going to discuss some practical steps that you can take to prepare yourself.
Some of the steps that we like to consider prior to separation that you can take might include looking at gathering your personal and financial documents. This might include your birth certificate, your passport, and if relevant, your marriage certificate. Similarly, you might want to think about gathering financial documents, which might include bank statements, recent tax returns, and other financial documents that are relevant to your case. If it's safe to do so, we really encourage you to consider changing all of your passwords with relation to your email addresses, your net banking, and any telephone banking, just to prevent any future issues in relation to your spouse being able to access your information.
So steps you can take after separation include keeping a diary of key events and dates. So, for example, the date in which either you or your partner communicated that you wanted to separate, the date which either you or your partner moved out of the family home, and a list of items that were taken with you and what remains in the home. We also recommend that you refrain from using social media to discuss your separation and your partner. In a digital era, anything that you put in writing, whether by text, email, posts on Facebook, Instagram, can be used as evidence in your matter. If there are children of the relationship and they are under the age of 18 years, we recommend you contact Services Australia to find out about your rights and obligations with respect to receiving and paying child support. We also recommend that you review your wills, powers of attorney, and binding death nomination for your superannuation fund. This is to ensure that those documents reflect your wishes and that they're not in favour of your partner. The most important step that you can take, either prior to or following separation, is to obtain legal advice from an experienced family lawyer.
We're here to prepare you as best possible to navigate through your separation journey. We'll be talking to you about your rights, your responsibility, and also your entitlements. During this process, one of the primary areas that we'll be discussing is financial matters, which includes property settlement. If you and your spouse have children together, we'll also discuss parenting matters, which may include where the children will live, who they will spend time with, long-term decision-making, which used to be called parental responsibility. We'll also discuss immediate or short-term issues, such as who will leave the family home, accessing relationship assets, and managing ongoing household or family expenses, and where relevant, family violence. While it's our focus to provide you with legal advice, Sarah and I find it extremely important to also connect you to other professionals and services that may enhance your life while you're navigating through this process. So, for example, you may find some benefit in attending on a counsellor, a psychologist, financial advisor, or accountant, and we're here to help in any way that we can.
Thank you for joining Bani and I today. We appreciate that separation is an overwhelming time. If you have any questions or would like to seek some advice, please contact us through our website.